kwa Ramogi kendo wadhi nyaka kaunti ma Siaya. Gavana mar kaunti ma Siaya James Orengo otero e yweyo ma ochuno jagoro mar kaunti no Joseph Ogutu gi apisas madito ma kaunti no. Orengo bende otimo lokruoge ne migawo mar omenda kendo yiero Richard Mungla kaka jatelo manyien mar migawo no. Lero ni okang' ma kamano biro chiwo thuolo ne aput matimo nonro mag buge omenda ewi kaka omenda mag kaunti no ne oti godo. Orengo kwayo bad migawo kata bad obila mag okwach kich DCI kod duol makedo kod mibadhi e pacho ka EACC mondo mi okas nonro wi mibadhi mapek mane oneno e kaunti ma Siaya kendo ng'ise jok machind mibadhi omieno ni okang' mager nyaka kawnegi.
We have also made changes in the county executive committee as follows with immediate effect. A, the executive committee member for finance and economic planning will be Mr. Richard Mungla. B, the county executive committee member for enterprise and industrial development will be Mr. Cleophas Ombogo, which means there's been a change of roles. C, acting county executive member for water, environment, natural resources, and climate change shall be Dr. Elizabeth Odhiambo. That means that Dr. Elizabeth Odhiambo will be handling two dockets, water and agriculture. We call upon the EEC and the DCI to expedite and conclude investigations, as the perennial presence of these agencies within our institutions without appropriate executive action being taken has the effect of disrupting activities and the work of the county government.